Director, Puan Fatima Yahya, and Honorable Professor Dr. Santana, and then Associate Professor Dr. Asita. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce. My name is Zahra. I'm a postgraduate student in nursing Lincoln University College. Today, I will share about material. The title is Systematic Literature Review. Systematic literature review, the effect of pulmonary TB, tuberculosis, or TB, education using video methods and knowledge, attitude, and treatment adherence in pulmonary tuberculosis sufferers. Okay, natural history of Mycobacterium tuberculosis infection Mycobacterium is an obligate pathogen normally occurring through respiratory tract. After infection, establishment of human response is able to contain microbial growth in 19 until 95%. This process is characterized by activation, recruitment, and/or proliferation of distinct cells in infection foci growth control and confinement of the pathogen inside a granuloma, a condition called as latent TB. In contrast, immune-compromise-associated condition lead to active disease characterized by microbial growth, tissue damage, and antibody production. Cases finding of effective cases is critical to stop TB. What we need to know, the first is tuberculosis. Identification of patients with tuberculosis, including family members and contacts. Tuberculosis or TB and the approach to successfully management are commonly misunderstood health topics among patient and family members within resources limited settings. Such a public misconception often result in delayed diagnosis of applicated patient, suboptimal compliance with prescribed therapies, and a negative community, social stigma, and hinders effective contact investigation. Then what do we do next is it evaluation at Ministry of Health TB clinic, and then patient and family members watch TB video, evaluation and discussion with patient and or nurse in TB clinic. And the last TB video showing that patient homes example during contact investigation. Introduce about tuberculosis based totally on the 2022 Global TB document. The best number of TB cases is in the efficient age organization, especially those aged 25 to 24 years. 969 people contract TB in Indonesia in 2021. 144 humans died from TB in Indonesia in 2021. Okay. The method in the research is literature evaluation. This review was carried out to determine the effect of pulmonary TB schooling using the video approach and on understanding, attitude, and adherence to remedy in pulmonary TB patient. An article posted in 2018 until 2023, database from PubMed, Medline, etc. And the keyword tuberculosis or TB or Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and audio video or audio visual and e-fitness or e-health or telehealth or telecare or digital health programs and adherence on compliance. And the conclusion standard is it is quasi-experimental, unvaccinated admission to an English and Indonesian language, and the study samples are patients suffering from pulmonary TB. And the exclusion standard is a systematic evaluation to object use randomized control trial or RCT results layout. The reason for article in this literature overview refers to preferred reporting item for systematic review or PRISMA flow chart, and we found article to be reviewed is it for article. And the main result of this overview is the extent to remedy adherence in pulmonary TB patient by way of sampling measuring movie approximately TB. TB patient can increase their understanding and attitude to remedy compliance. The result of literature review of the most influenced intervention, namely the educational intervention carried by Rich et al. 2020. Academic movie had been determined to improve TB know-how among low literacy remote populace in Madagascar. Outfunding advice instructional movies may be an effective low price and sustainable tool to improve the right of to be sustainable globally. Data suggests the video was acceptable and may facilitate behavior change. This online educational video show promise as tool a supplement clinical care. And the discussion, the systematic and explanation for the whole training, the use of the video approach can enhance know-how, attitude, and remedy compliance TB patient. The benefit of learning with audio video technique will make it easier for TB patient who can read and write, consistent with Halle and Julia 2020. Getting to know the use movie is very effective. Audiovisual media is the best type of media using getting to know active because it involves hearing and sight at the same time in one method of interest so that reader of 5 sense accurate fact and the reader fabric may be absorbed. And conclusion, using video strategy for TB schooling has been verified to noticeably increase understanding, attitude, and remedy address among TB patients. The speedy booming cell tools used in international occasions within excessive TB burden gives an essential and scalable opportunity for the use of video training on concurrent settings. And the TB manipulate application should make use open access technical tools and academic substance to speak crucial facts about TB the public, especially the one studying. And in Indonesia, TB preferences is known as TOS TB. TOS TB is a temukan obat obati sampai sembuh or find TB treat until heal. Okay, well, that's what I can say. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, any burning question from the floor? You have one question? Okay. Introduce yourself again.
Mic. Tangan mic on.
Thank you, Professor. Mr. Jahra, how to increase promotion of knowledge using technological media to suffer in remote areas?
Okay, sorry, can you repeat slowly from
How to increase promotion of knowledge using technological media to suffer in remote area?
Oh, okay. Can I answer now? Okay. Thank you. Okay, I answer. I repeat your question. Okay, how to increase promotion of knowledge using technology media, right? Isn't it? Okay. Based on the result, there are several for using regional language in Indonesia. Regional language is a value more interesting and related to society. They use regional language in Indonesia. There are sponsored promoting community life because use everyday language close to community life. And like stated in the book, rethinking culture and how communication, social interaction, language as used, they provide capability and limits how a person expression everything starting from feelings, self-identifies, desire, certain anxiety, fear, and etc. I think my answer. Okay. Enough? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you very much.